Hello students, welcome back. How are you? I hope you are fit and fine. This is for class 4th subject mathematics. I will continue chapter number 1 factors and multiples. Lecture number 9. In this lecture, I shall discuss about HCF by division method and exercise 1E question number 2 to 6. HCF by division method. How to find HCF by division method? To find the HCF by division method, divide both the numbers together by their common prime factors. बेटा देखो अब अगर आपको HCF निकालना है डिवीजन मेथड से तो हम डिवाइड बोथ द नंबर्स दोनों नंबर्स को डिवाइड करेंगे बाय देयर कॉमन प्राइम फैक्टर्स कॉमन प्राइम फैक्टर्स के साथ हम उनको डिवाइड करेंगे स्टॉप डिवाइडिंग व्हेन देयर इज नो कॉमन प्राइम फैक्टर लेफ्ट फाइंड द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द कॉमन प्राइम फैक्टर्स टू गेट द HCF उसके बाद हम कॉमन प्राइम फैक्टर्स का प्रोडक्ट निकालेंगे तो हमारा वो क्या आ जाएगा HCF आ जाएगा I will explain you by an example. See, for example, question number 1. Find the HCF of 12 and 18 by division method. We have to find the HCF of 12 and 18 by division method. Answer. See, first we will make lines like this. Write 12 and 18 here. अब देखो बेटा हमें क्या करना है दोनों नंबर्स को कॉमन प्राइम फैक्टर्स के साथ डिवाइड करना है अब देखो बेटा 12 and 18 they both are divisible by 2 for divisibility by 2 the ones place is an even digit that is 0 2 4 6 or 8 see in the given number 12 the ones digit is 2 and in the given number 18 the ones digit is 8 which is an even digit so these two numbers 12 and 18 are divisible by 2 so see write 2 here and 6 and 9 here see 2 multiply 6 equal 12 and 2 multiply 9 equal 18 अब देखो बेटा 6 and 9 अब आपको ये डिवाइड करने हैं we have to divide both these numbers by common prime factor see 6 is divisible by 2 but 9 is not divisible by 2 so see 6 and 9 these both numbers are divisible by 3 so make lines like this write 3 here 3 multiply 2 equal 6 3 multiply 3 equal 9 write 2 and 3 here now see 2 and 3 they both are different prime numbers so we will not factorize further अब हम factors नहीं निकालेंगे देखो बेटा क्योंकि 2 and 3 हमारे prime factors आ गए so see so HCF of 12 and 18 equal 2 multiply 3 equal 6 so 6 is the HCF of 12 and 18 now solve the following questions exercise 1E question number 2 find the HCF of the following pairs by division method A part 30 and 50 we have to find the HCF of 30 and 50 by division method answer see make lines like this write 30 and 50 here now we will divide both these numbers by common prime factor see 30 and 50 the both numbers are divisible by 2 divide these numbers by 2 write 2 here 2 multiply 15 equal 30 2 multiply 25 equal 50 now see this 15 and 25 divide these two numbers by common prime factor see 15 is divisible by 3 and 25 is not divisible by 3. See, now divide 15 and 25 by 5. These both numbers are divisible by 5. See, divide these two numbers by 5. Write 5 here. See, 5 multiply 3 equal 15. 5 multiply 5 equal 25. Now see, this 3 and 5. These are the prime numbers. हमारे prime numbers आ गए तो अब हम factorize नहीं करेंगे आगे. So HCF of 30 and 50 equal 2 multiply 5 equal 10. Thus 10 is the HCF of 30 and 50. Now C part 28 and 35. We have to find the HCF of 28 and 35 by division method. Answer: make lines like this. Write 28 here and 35 here. Now divide these two numbers by common prime factor. See, 28 is divisible by 2. 35 is not divisible by 2. See, 28 and 35. These both numbers are divisible by 7. Common prime factor. See, 7. Divide 28 and 35 by 7. Write 7 here. See, 7 multiply 4 equal 28. 7 multiply 5 equal 35. See, 4 and 5. See, 4 is divisible by 2, but 5 is not divisible by 2. See, a 4 and 5, these both two numbers are not divisible by any common factor. किसी भी नंबर के साथ ये डिवाइड नहीं हो रहे, कॉमन फैक्टर के साथ डिवाइड नहीं हो रहे, सो वी विल नॉट फैक्टराइज फर्दर. अब हम फैक्टर आगे नहीं करेंगे. सो HCF of 28 and 35 equal 7. Thus, 7 is the HCF of 28 and 35. Now, E part 84 and 105. We have to find the HCF of 84 and 105 by division method. Answer: make lines like this. Write 84 and 105 here. Now divide these two numbers by common prime factor. See, 84 is divisible by 2. 105 is not divisible by 2. See, now divide these two numbers by 3. See, 84 for divisibility by 3, sum of its digits should be divisible by 3. See, 8 plus 4, 12. 12 is divisible by 3. So, 84 is also divisible by 3. See, 105, sum of digits 1 plus 0, 1 plus 5, 6. 6 is divisible by 3. So, 105 is also divisible by 3. So, divide 84 and 105 by common prime factor, that is 3. अब आपको बेटा डिवाइड करना है इसको 3 के साथ. राइट 3 हियर. सी, जब आप डिवाइड करोगे 84 को 3 के साथ, सो 3 मल्टीप्लाई 28 इक्वल 84. नाउ डिवाइड 105 बाय 3. सी, 3 मल्टीप्लाई 35 इक्वल 105. नाउ सी, 28 and 35. Divide 28 and 35 by common prime factor. See, 28 and 35. These both numbers are divisible by 7. So, divide these two numbers by 7. Write 7 here. See, 7 multiply 4 equal 28. 7 multiply 5 equal 35. Now, see, 4 and 5. These both numbers, they are not divisible by any common prime factor. So, we will not factorize further. So, now write. So, HCF of 84 and 105 equal 3 multiply 7 equal 21. Thus, 21 is the HCF of 84 and 105. Now G part 64 and 80. We have to find the HCF of 64 and 80 by division method. Answer: make line like this. Write 64 and 80 here. Now divide 64 and 80 by common prime factor. Now see, divide 64 and 80 by 2. Yes, 64 and 80. These both numbers are divisible by 2. Now divide 64 and 80 by 2. Write 2 here. See, 2 multiply 32 equal 64. 2 multiply 40 equal 80. Now see, 32 and 40. Now divide 32 and 40 by 2. These both numbers are divisible by 2. See, write 2 here. 2 multiply 16 equal 32. 2 multiply 20 equal 40. Now divide 16 and 20 by 2. Yes, 16 and 20 are divisible by 2. Write 2 here. See, 2 multiply 8 equal 16. 2 multiply 10 equal 20. Now see, divide 8 and 10 by 2. 8 and 10 are divisible by 2. Write 2 here. See, 2 multiply 4 equal 8. 2 multiply 5 equal 10. Now see, 4 and 5. These both numbers are not divisible by any common prime factor. So we will not factorize further. Right? So HCF of 64 and 80 equal 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. 2 multiply 2, 4 multiply 2, 8 multiply 2, 16. So 16 is the HCF of 64 and 80. Now question number 3. Find the HCF of the following pairs and say if they are co-primes. A part 15 and 30. We have to find the HCF of 15 and 30 and then say if they are co-primes. Answer: make lines like this. Write 15 and 30 here. Now divide 15 and 30 by common prime factor. See, 15 and 30. These both numbers are divisible by 3. Now divide 15 and 30 by 3. Write 3 here. See, 3 multiply 5 equal 15. 3 multiply 10 equal 30. Now this 5 and 10. Now divide 5 and 10 by common prime factors. See, 5 and 10 are divisible by 5. These both numbers are divisible by 5. Make line like this. Write 5 here. See, 5 multiply 1 equal 5. 5 multiply 2 equal 10. See, 1 and 2. These both numbers are not divisible by any common prime factor. So we will not factorize further. So HCF of 15 and 30 equal 3 multiply 5 equal 15. So 15 is the HCF of 15 and 30. Now B part 13 and 18. We have to find the HCF of 13 and 18 and then say if they are co-primes. What are co-primes? See, two numbers are said to be co-prime if they do not have a common factor other than 1. Then two numbers are said to be co-prime. See, answer: make lines like this. Write 13 and 18 here. Now see, 13 and 18. See, 18 is divisible by 2, but 13 is not divisible by 2. See, 13 and 18 are the two numbers which are not divisible by any common prime factor. These two are divisible by just by a common factor 1. See, 1 multiply 13 equal 13. 1 multiply 18 equal 18. These both numbers are divisible by 1. As there is no common factor other than 1. So, HCF of 13 and 18 equal 1. Such pair of numbers are called co-prime numbers. Now, D part 25 and 27. We have to find the HCF of 25 and 27 and say if they are co-primes. Answer: make line like this. Write 25 and 27 here. Now see, 25 is divisible by 5 and 27 is divisible by 3. These two numbers are not divisible by other than 1 common factor. See, these two numbers are only divisible by 1. Write 1 here. 1 multiply 25 equal 25. 1 multiply 27 equal 27. As there is no common factor other than 1, so HCF of 25 and 27 equal 1. Such pairs of numbers are called co-prime numbers. Now, question number 4. Find the greatest number that will divide 35, 40 and 55 without leaving any remainder. See, we have to find the greatest number that will divide 35, 40 and 55 without leaving any remainder. Greatest number means we have to calculate the HCF of 35, 40 and 55. Answer: the greatest number that will divide 35, 40 and 55 is the HCF of 35, 40 and 55. Make lines like this. Write 35, 40 and 55 here. Now divide these three numbers by common prime factor. See, 35, 40 and 55 are divisible by 5. Now divide 35, 40 and 55 by 5. These three numbers are divisible by 5. Write 5 here. See, 5 multiply 7 equal 35. 5 multiply 8 equal 40. 5 multiply 11 equal 55. Now see, 7, 8 and 11. These three numbers are not divisible by any common prime factor. So we will not factorize further. So HCF of 35, 40 and 55 equal 5. Hence, 5 is the greatest number that will divide 35, 40 and 55 without leaving any remainder. Now, question number 6. Find the greatest number that divides 27, 38 and 44, leaving remainder 2, 3 and 4 respectively. Answer: see, the required number that divides 27, 38 and 44, leaving remainder 2, 3 and 4 respectively. See, 27 leaves remainder 2. 38 leaves remainder 3. And 44 leaves remainder 4. So we will subtract. See, 27 minus 2 equal 25. 38 minus 3 equal 35. And 44 minus 4 equal 40. अब हमने सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लिए तो हमारे पास क्या नंबर आया 25, 35 and 40. Make lines like this. We will find the HCF of 25, 35 and 40. So write 25, 35 and 40 here. See, 25, 35 and 40. These three numbers are divisible by 5. So divide 25, 35 and 40 by 5. Write 5 here. See, 5 multiply 5 equal 25. 5 multiply 7 equal 35. 5 multiply 8 equal 40. Now see, 5, 7 and 8. These three numbers are not divisible by any common factor. So we will not factorize further. So HCF of 25, 35 and 40 equal 5. Hence 5 is the greatest number that divides 27, 38 and 44, leaving remainder 2, 3 and 4 respectively. Now solve the following questions assigned as homework. Exercise 1E. Question number 2. Determine the HCF of the following pairs by division method. B part 9 and 24. D part 96 and 98. F part 88 and 110. Question number 3. Determine the HCF of the following pairs of numbers and say if they are coprimes. C part 17 and 34. E part 11 and 17. F part 21 and 22. Question number 5. Find the greatest number that divides 97 and 107, leaving 7 as remainder. These are the questions assigned as homework. I hope you have done homework assigned in lecture number 8 of chapter number 1. Now I will discuss solution of homework assigned in lecture number 8. Solve the following questions. Exercise 1E. Question number 1. Determine the HCF of the following pairs by factor tree method. F part 18 and 36. We have to find the HCF of 18 and 36 by factor tree method. First we will factorize 18 and then we will factorize 36. Answer. Write 18 here. Divide 18 by 2 to check whether 18 is divisible by 2 or not. Yes, 18 is divisible by 2. Make lines like this. Write 2 here and 9 here. 2 multiply 9 equal 18. Now factorize 9. See, 9 is not divisible by 2. Yes, 9 is divisible by 3. Make lines like this. Write 3 here and 3 here. 3 multiply 3 equal 9. Now see, 3 is a prime number. So we will not factorize further. Now factorize 36. Write here 36. Now divide 36 by 2 to check whether 36 is divisible by 2 or not. Yes, 36 is divisible by 2. Make lines like this. Write 2 here and 18 here. 2 multiply 18 equal 36. Now factorize 18. Now see, 18 is divisible by 2. Make lines like this. Write 2 here and 9 here. 2 multiply 9 equal 18. Now factorize 9. See, 9 is not divisible by 2. Yes, 9 is divisible by 3. Make lines like this. Write 3 here and 3 here. 3 multiply 3 equal 9. Now see, this 3 is a prime number. So we will not factorize further. Now write prime factorization of 18 equal 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. Prime factorization of 36 equal 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. Now find common factors. See, this 2 and 2 common factor. So mark this. This 3 and 3 common factor. So mark this. This 3 and 3 common factor. So mark this. So this 2, 3 and 3 are the common factors. So HCF of 18 and 36 equal 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 equal 18. So 18 is the HCF of 18 and 36. Now I part. 64 and 80. We have to find the HCF of 64 and 80 by factor tree method. First, we will factorize 64 and then we will factorize 80. Answer, write 64 here. Now divide 64 by 2 to check whether 64 is divisible by 2 or not. See, for divisibility by 2, the digit at the ones place is an even digit, that is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Here in the given number 64, the ones digit is 4, which is an even digit. So this 64 is divisible by 2. Now divide 64 by 2. Make lines like this. Write 2 here and 32 here. 2 multiply 32 equal 64. Now factorize 32. Divide 32 by 2. Yes, 32 is divisible by 2. 2 multiply 16 equal 32. Write 2 here and 16 here. Now factorize 16. See, 16 is divisible by 2. 2 multiply 8 equal 16. Write 2 here and 8 here. Now factorize 8. 8 is divisible by 2. 2 multiply 4 equal 8. Write 2 here and 4 here. Now factorize 4. 4 is divisible by 2. 2 multiply 2 equal 4. Write 2 here and 2 here. Now see, this 2 is a prime number. So we will not factorize further. Now factorize 80. Write here 80. Now divide 80 by 2 to check whether 80 is divisible by 2 or not. Yes, 80 is divisible by 2. Divide 80 by 2. Make lines like this. Write 2 here and 40 here. 2 multiply 40 equal 80. Now factorize 40. Divide 40 by 2. Yes, 40 is divisible by 2. Make lines like this. Write 2 here and 20 here. 2 multiply 20 equal 40. Now factorize 20. 20 is divisible by 2. 2 multiply 10 equal 20. Write 2 here and 10 here. Now factorize 10. 10 is divisible by 2. 2 multiply 5 equal 10. Write 2 here and 5 here. Now see, this 5 is a prime number. So we will not factorize further. Now write prime factorization of 64 equal 2 multiply 2, multiply 2, multiply 2, multiply 2, multiply 2. Prime factorization of 80 equal 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 5. Now find common factors. See this 2 and 2 common factor. So mark 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 this. Now see this 2, 2, 2 and 2 are the common factors. So HCF of 64 and 80 equal 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. See 2 multiply 2 4 multiply 2 8 multiply 2 16. So 16 is the HCF of 64 and 80. Now J part 25, 40 and 60. We have to find the HCF of 25, 40 and 60 by factor tree method. First we will factorize 25 and then we will factorize 40 and then we will factorize 60. Answer right here 25. Now divide 25 by 2 to check whether 25 is divisible by 2 or not. No, 25 is not divisible by 2. Similarly, 25 is not divisible by 3. Now divide 25 by 5. Yes, 25 is divisible by 5. Make lines like this. Write 5 here and 5 here. 5 multiply 5 equal 25. Now see this 5 is a prime number. So we will not factorize further. Now write here 40. Now divide 40 by 2 to check whether 40 is divisible by 2 or not. Yes, 40 is divisible by 2. Divide 40 by 2. Make lines like this. Write 2 here and 20 here. 2 multiply 20 equal 40. Now factorize 20. 20 is divisible by 2. 2 multiply 10 equal 20. Write 2 here and 10 here. Now factorize 10. 10 is divisible by 2. 2 multiply 5 equal 10. Write 2 here and 5 here. Now see this 5 is a prime number. So we will not factorize further. Now write here 60. Now divide 60 by 2 to check whether 60 is divisible by 2 or not. Yes, 60 is divisible by 2. Now divide 60 by 2. Make lines like this. Write 2 here and 30 here. 2 multiply 30 equal 60. Now factorize 30. 30 is divisible by 2. Make lines like this. Write 2 here and 15 here. Now factorize 15. 15 is divisible by 3. 3 multiply 5 equal 15. Write 3 here and 5 here. Now see this 5 is a prime number. So we will not factorize further. Now write prime factorization of 25 equal 5 multiply 5. Prime factorization of 40 equal 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 5. Prime factorization of 60 equal 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. Now find common factors. See this 5 and this 5 is a common factor. So we will mark this. So this 5 is a common factor. So HCF of 25, 40 and 60 equal 5. So 5 is the HCF of 25, 40 and 60. Now kindly subscribe our channel and like our videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.